Morning, Internet, and welcome to Provincetown, Massachusetts. I'm here today, or I'm here this weekend, because my brother is tearing down his house and building a new one. Now, thankfully, I'm not doing either one of those jobs or even helping with those jobs. I'm just sort of helping him move some things out of the house so that the demolition of the house that's there now can start, I think, in a week or so. So anyway, my sister and I and Fireball came up here yesterday, and we will be starting moving things around or out of the house later on today. But before that, I thought I would take a walk around and see what Provincetown looks like. I've never been here before. This is on a part of land in the United States called Cape Cod. It's part of the state of Massachusetts, which is in an area of the country known as New England. So this is all about Provincetown. Yes, as you can see, the weather has taken a turn. It's now 15 degrees, windy, and it's cold. At least I think it's cold. Of course, my brother, walking around in his shorts, he doesn't think it's cold. Of course, he doesn't know any better. My sister-in-law and brother are now taking a walk down to Nantucket Sound. And if the wind doesn't blow us away, we might get some good video of that. Okay, that's a picture of the house that by the time you see this video will no longer exist. It won't be here anymore. My brother will have knocked it down and built a house somewhere else. That's going to wrap it up for today. It's ended up being a very chilly, windy, and a little bit rainy day here in Provincetown. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.